when a catastrophic injury is experienced by a family member, I know personally the world stops, and there's probably no worse time in that family's existence for them to be making important decisions. Yet, there's literally a fire hose full of important decisions that need immediate attention. What are the police doing? What's my role in the police investigation? Maybe it's a catastrophic injury. They have family meetings at the hospital. Who's in charge? Who's going to make the medical decisions? What are we going to do about our income next week? Unfortunately, there are questions that you never thought you were going to have to be answering. Yesterday, you didn't think you were going to have to be answering them. Today, all of a sudden, they're front and center, and you're in no real position to kind of work your way through. And so what I tell families, if you've had a catastrophic injury or a death, is let somebody else help carry the water for you. Let somebody else help carry that burden for you. And that's where if you go with and find the right lawyers and the right people at a law firm, that they will help you every step of the way. When we represent people who have catastrophic injury and death cases, they all get my personal cell phone number. We tell them 24/7, we are literally here for you with any question that you have. You don't have to answer any question or figure out any issue alone. We'll be there for you. And they say, wow, man, that sounds like a lot. I say, yeah, that's what we do. That's what we're here for. And so what I would say is most important is you have to find a resource that you can lean on during this time of need. You won't ever have to look back and say, man, I wish I had made a different decision about this, or, I wish I had requested an autopsy because I didn't even know I could, or I wish that I had known that we could transfer to a different hospital facility, or I wish that I knew that there were specialists over at Craig Rehabilitation Spine Center that I'd never heard of. I wish I'd known 3 weeks earlier that they were available. This is the kind of stuff that you're not used to answering. And when you find a law firm that's been in the community like ours has since 1996, right? We know the doctors, the hospitals, the facilities. We know how to help families who are experiencing the worst time of their life. And so I would say you are going to be okay. Life may never be the same, but you're going to be okay. But you need to find that resource that's going to help you, especially in these early and very chaotic days after an injury or death.